Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your Yandex browser into dark mode. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to switch your Yandex browser into dark mode, you just simply have to open your Yandex browser on your phone. After opening the Yandex browser, simply click into these three bars in the bottom right corner. From there, you will get the option of Settings. Click into that Settings option. Now, after clicking into Settings, you will get the Theme option in General Settings at the top. Click into that Theme option and from here, you will get Always Light and Always Dark options. By clicking into this Always Dark option, your Yandex browser will be switched into dark mode. You can also enable this dark theme for websites if you want all of your websites to be in dark theme too. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.